I posted a video a few months ago talking about my 1990 Ford Bronco Eddie Bauer edition, and I noticed that I said some few errors. For example, I said FB Goodrich when actually it's BF Goodrich tires. These are 33s, all-terrain KO2 tires. Like I said previously, I still have the original interior on it. I just got done eating, so that's why I have that. Yeah, I did some few shopping as well. And for Christmas, I also got this. Got this for Christmas. That's one of the major upgrades that I did on it. Is install this K&N air filter on it. Two weekends ago, I posted it. I put it on. I got new upper and lower radiator hose. Can't really see it, but there it is right there. I also changed the spark plugs. I got new spark plug wires. A new distributor cap. Also, what's inside of it? I got new headlights. I still have. I think I need to get a new alternator because when I'm playing my music or something or lowering down the windows, I see my voltage gauge like freaking out, like it's some dubstep or some crap that's playing. Yeah, it's like it's like that. Like I said, I still have my 12-inch kickers I have here. There it is. Still have it. Now I have another problem. I got like a little leak somewhere up here. I filled that up with silicone so it can prevent leaking, but I feel like I need to put more on it because the other day I found water right here, and I don't like that because everybody knows that leads to rust. I gotta change the motor on this. I still got a little few things there. I also gotta fix this, or just get a new rim, period. Let's see if I can fix that first. Get it fixed. Yeah. I went off-roading on it already, if you can't honestly tell. Nice parking, Nick. I still have the, shocks in there. Rancho. And I was wrong on the size tires, by the way. They're actually 32s, not 33s. But like I said, this is the most major upgrade I did on it. Is just new spark plugs, wires, distributor cap, what's inside of it, upper and lower radiator hose, and this K&N air filter. Installation was pretty simple. A little fuss, a little argument my dad and I were having about who's going to install it, but I told him it's my truck, I'm install it. Nah, he helped me on it a little bit. So that's the major upgrade, what I did. And if you guys have any questions, leave it down in the comments. Still gotta fix that noise. I also gotta get it re-painted too, re-spray painted, because the primer's all faded and everything. So if you have any questions, leave down in the comments. I'll try to answer it best I can, and leave a like. Alright, neighbors. Alright. That's it. Thank you for watching. Like I said, leave down a comment if you have any questions and leave a like.